This is a SansBug 1, and it is very roomy inside, and it ensures a bug-free night of camping. You can stay inside with at least 3 people, or at least 3 small people, and then you can close it up and have a bug-free night of camping. And then to close it, you just make sure you have this zipped up, and then you bring this up, and then you bring this up, and then you bring this up. Then you have like a taco shape. And then you have to make sure that the strap is at the bottom. Otherwise you would lose the strap and not be able to close it. Then you push it down like this. Then you grab this and just kind of like push it in. And you have like this shape, which you think you're lost, but you're not. Just like go over that and do that. And have the strap right here. And then you just put this strap. Then you just put this strap around like this. It's kind of hard to get it around. And you just put the strap around like this. And then there you go. Done with the SansBug 1.